welcome to the art class. My name is Miss Ivana and today we are going to be talking about the colors. Okay, so we are going to start by understanding what is the definition of color. What do we understand by color? What's the real meaning of color, okay? So the definition of color is the element of art that is produced when light strikes on an object and it reflects back to the eye, okay? So color is everywhere. If you look there, if you look there, if you look there, you will find colors everywhere you go. So the colors are an element of visual arts, and that's what we are going to understand. What are them and how can we mix colors, how can we obtain different tones, and that's what we are going to be talking about today. So for today's class, that's what we have this, because we are going to learn how to mix, how to obtain new colors, and how to understand how this works. Okay, so first we have the primary colors. In the primary colors, we will have red, yellow, and blue. These are the primary colors. The primary colors are the colors that we can't actually make. They are naturally like that. So the primary colors are the colors that can't be created by mixing other colors. Okay, so that's what we are only going to find: red, yellow, and blue. They are going to be the base for all the colors that we are going to find in a color scale. Then, from the primary colors, we can actually get the secondary colors. And what are the secondary colors? That's what we are going to learn today. So, the secondary colors are the colors that are made by using the primary colors. So that's why we have this combination. So we are going to understand how to get them, okay? So first we have red and yellow. Which color do you think that we obtained by red and yellow? So that's why we have a question mark. Which color are we going to obtain? So we have orange. Orange is the color that we obtain from yellow and red. By mixing equal parts, we are going to obtain orange. Orange is a secondary color. So this is our first color. Then we have blue and yellow. Which color do you think that we are going to obtain by blue and yellow? Green. Green is the next secondary color. So we are going to place it right here. And then we have the last color. We have red and blue. Which color do you think that we are going to obtain by this combination? Yes, we obtain purple. Purple is the third secondary color. So these are going to be the three colors that we are going to obtain by mixing the primary colors. So just to remember, the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And what are the secondary colors? Orange, green, and purple. Okay, so now that we know this, we are going to understand what are the tertiary colors. So the tertiary colors are the colors that we obtain from mixing equal parts from a primary color and a secondary color. In the colors that here we have the combinations that we are going to need to obtain these colors, okay? So first we have yellow, that is a primary color, and then we have green, that is a secondary color. So which color do you think that we get? Exactly, we get yellow-green. So we are going to place it down here. Down here, that's our first tertiary color. Then we have another combination. We have red and orange. What do you think that we will get? We get red-orange. That is another tertiary color. So as you can see, we have red, that is a primary color, and we have orange, that is a secondary color. And then we get red-orange. Then we have the third one. We have blue and we have purple. Blue is a primary color and purple is a secondary color. Which color do you think that we get? Exactly, we get blue violet. Blue violet, so we are going to place it down here. Then we have purple and red. Again, a secondary color and a primary color. Which color do you think that we get? Red violet. That's the next color. So we are going to place it down. For the last two colors, we have blue and we have green. Again, a primary and a secondary color, and we get blue-green. This is the other color that we can obtain by mixing these two colors. And the last one, we have yellow and we have orange. Which color do you think that we get? Yellow-orange. That's the next color. Okay? So this was the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, and I hope that you understood this class, and thank you very much for paying attention.